वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन।
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना में।
Good morning, respected chief guests, teachers, and all my dear friends and principal. My name is Arohi Pathari. I am from class 3rd A. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Republic Day. First of all, I wish all of you a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26 January, the Republic Day of our country. This day is a national festival of our country. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. So we celebrate this day as Republic Day. In this year 2024, we are celebrating the 75th Republic Day of our country. Our country became independent on 15th August 1947 after a long struggle and lakhs of sacrifices. But still, this freedom was incomplete without a written constitution of its own. The Constitution of India was drafted under the leadership of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Republic means that the citizens of the country holds a supreme power to elect representatives. Ever since we got independence, our country has developed a lot and it is counted among the most powerful countries. But we need to focus on the issues like population or growth, illiteracy, corruption, poverty, etc. Our laws need to be made more strict when it comes to the safety of women and children. We need to ensure that every child gets the basic rights and good education. We still need to focus on making our country a clean and green country. We must perform all our duties as a responsible citizen to support country's development. Let us all pledge today to find solution to these problems so that our country becomes the best place to live on earth. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Very well said, Arohi. The message